Hello everyone. Today we are going to take serial communication registers. That is SCON. SCON is nothing but serial control register. It is an 8-bit register used to program start bit, stop bit and data bits of data framing among other things. So here we can see the format of SCON register. First is RI, that is receive interrupt flag. Next is TI, transmit interrupt flag. Then RB8, received ninth bit, that is bit B8 of received data. TB8, transmitted ninth bit, that is bit B8 of transmitted data. Then REN, received enable. SM2, serial mode bit 2. Then SM0 and SM1 are here the operated with the modes mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. When SM0, SM1 they are 0, then mode 0 will be operated. When M0 is 0, M1 is 1, mode 1 will be operated. When M0 is equal to 1, M1 is equal to 0, mode 2 will be operated. And when both are 1s, mode 3 will be operated. The next is calculation of baud rate. How the baud rate is calculated. As you know, in serial communication, if data is transferred with a baud rate of 9600 and crystal used is 11.0592, then following steps are to be followed to find the TH value to be loaded. Baud rate is nothing but it is the rate at which bits are transferred. So first we will see for 9600. Here the clock frequency of timer clock f is equal to 11.0592 megahertz divided by 12 by 32. So we will get 28,800 hertz. The time period of each clock tick T0 will be 1 by f. So whatever the frequency we have to divide by 1. So 1 divided by 2800. 28800. So duration of timer will be n into T0, that is n is the number of clock ticks. So 9600 baud will give duration of 1 symbol. So 1 divided by 9600. So n into T0 is equal to n into 1 by 28800. So n is equal to frequency by 9600 is equal to 28800 divided by 9600. So we will get the value of 3. If we take TH1 is equal to minus 3, after doing 2s complement, we will get the value. Then it will be converted into hex. Okay, so it will be hex value. So similarly for baud rate 2400, we will get TH value minus 12. So by using 2s complement, the whatever the value we will get, we have to convert into hex value. That value we have to put in the program. So now we will see the program of write a C program to generate frequency of 2.5 kHz on port 2.7 using timer 1 in mode 2 to generate the delay. Here the frequency oscillator frequency is 12 megahertz. So first we will do the calculations. Here the crystal value is equal to 12 megahertz. So frequency is given 2.5 kilohertz, or we can say 2500 hertz. So time period T is equal to 1 divided by frequency 2500. So we will get 400 microsecond, or we can say 0.4 millisecond as per our conversion. So required time delay is equal to 0.4 millisecond divided by 2, we will get 0.2 millisecond, or we can say 200 microsecond. So required time delay is equal to 12 divided by oscillator frequency into number of increment, that is capital N. So required time delay 200 microsecond is equal to 12 divided by 12 megahertz, that is oscillator frequency, into capital N. So n we will get 200 microsecond. So using timer 1 mode 2, as you know in mode 2 it is 8 bit. So count is equal to 2 raised to 8 minus capital N. So N we get 200 microseconds. So 256 minus 200 we will get 56, that is 38H in hex. So if we take frequency 11.0592 megahertz, we will get the value N is equal to 184. Okay, so maximum count is equal to, that is 2 raised to 8 minus N. So it will be 2 raised to 8 is nothing but 256. So 256 minus 184 we will get 72. So in hex we will get 48H. So this is the hex value. So TH1 will be 0x38 for frequency 12 megahertz as given in the program. So we will see the now program. Hash include register 51.h. In the program it is given port 2.7. So we will use S bit SQR is equal to port 2.7. So SQR is nothing but a square. Void main void start of the program. T mode is equal to 0x20, that is timer 1 mode 2. Then TH1 we will have to upload the value 0x38 as we have calculated. Then TR1 is equal to 1, means we have to start the timer 1. So while 1, the loop will repeat. Then start of the while loop, while TF1 is equal to 0, wait for timer to overflow. So till it overflows, then SQR is equal to invert SQR, means whatever the value is there in 2.7 it will get toggle. So timer flag will be 0. Clear TF1, then end of the while program and end of the main program. See, this is the program for timer 1 mode 2. So next we will see serial communication program using embedded C. So steps for serial data transmission, as we have seen for SCON format. So we will see the steps one by one for serial communication program. The TH1 is loaded with values to set baud rate for serial data transfer. In step 2, SCON register is loaded with value 50H indicating serial mode 1, where an 8-bit data is framed with start and stop bits. In step 3, TR1 is equal to 1 to start timer 1. Next step, TI is cleared by clear transmission instruction. Next step, character byte to be transferred serially is written in SBUF register. Next is TI flag bit is monitored with the use of instruction to if the character has been transferred completely. Next step, we have to see to transfer next byte. So we have to go to step 5 again for transmission of next byte. Next is the steps for serial data reception to receive the character byte serially. So in step 1, T mode register is loaded with value 20H indicating the use of timer 1 in mode 2 8-bit auto reload mode to set the baud rate. So TH1 is loaded with to set the baud rate. Next step, SCON register is loaded with value 50H indicating serial mode 1, where an 8-bit is framed with start and stop bit. Then TR1 is set to 1 to start the timer 1. RI flag bit is monitored with the use of instruction if the entire character has been received. Then when RI is raised, SBUF has byte, its contents are moved to a safer place. Then in last step we have to receive next character, and again we have to go to step number 5. So this is the steps for serial data reception. So now we will see the program for serial communication. Write a C language program to send character A serially at 9600 baud rate continuously. So we will start with the program. Here the baud rate is given 9600. So hash include register 51.h void main void start of the program. T mode, here it is used timer 1 mode 2. So for serial communication, always timer 1 mode 2 is used. So we have to write T mode is equal to 0x20. Then TH1 is equal to 0xFD. As the baud rate is 9600, so minus 3 is decimal value, and the hex value of minus 3 is f of d. By using the 2s complement, we are getting the fd value. So for minus 3 we have to do the 2s complement. So for 2s complement, first we have to write the binary number, then do the 1's complement, then add 1. So whatever the value we have to convert into hex, then we are getting this fd value. SCON. So for serial communication, SCON serial control register, we have to take 0x50 because it is the 8-bit data, one stop bit receiver enable. Then TR1 is equal to 1, that is start timer. Then we have to repeat it while 1. Loop starts. SBuff is equal to N, serial buffer register. Send N serially, send A serially, okay, because we have to send the character A in the question. So we have to send the character A serially. So SBuff is equal to A. So while transmission complete, till the transmission complete, so Ti is equal to 0. Our while loop program is closed and program end with the main program. So next program is 89C51C program to transfer MSBT serially at 9600 baud rate. So we have to send the MSBT characters one by one. So here the baud rate is 9600. So hash include register 51.h, void main void, then start of the program, unsigned character text. Okay, so in text we have to send this MSBT. Then T mode 0x20, timer 1 mode 2, TH1 is equal to 0xFD, baud rate 9600, SCON 0x50, start serial communication. Then TR1 is equal to 1, start timer. So now here is the very important line. For I is equal to 0, I up to 6. 6 here value indicates. So see the MSBT. So including inverted commas, the values are total 7. So we have taken 0 to 6, means 7 characters will be transferred serially. So 0 to 6 it will be total 7. Then curly bracket start, SBuff is equal to text I, means one by one the character will be transmitted. First inverted comma, then M, S, B, T, E, then inverted commas closed. Then while transmission is completed, then Ti will be 0. Then this program will end. So this is the program for MSBT, how to transfer the MSBT character serially at 9600 baud rate. So these are all the programs based on serial communication as well as the mode 2, timer 1, mode 2. Thank you.